seen several deer on this ride, however most of them don't show up very well on the camera. But this one in particular shows up good enough to see. Here we decided to pull over and let a group of horses go by and to give me a good time to get a drink of water and take a little breather.
No problem. Yeah. It's okay.
This horse didn't look very happy to see us, and it did make me glad that we had pulled over and gave him a chance to get by without causing any problems for anyone.
Now, when we get to the other part over there, I'll follow you for a little while, but you have to behave.
Last time I followed Michelle through this section of trail is last fall when she had a crash and ended up in the creek with a motorcycle on top of her, so I wanted her to be a little more careful so we wouldn't have a repeat of that. Just around this corner on the right is the spot where she went off into the water and ended our ride for the day. Here are some pics pulled from the video Michelle's dirt bike crash. This time we just rode by the creek. I like it that way much better. No bruises, no dislocated shoulders, no problems. On this ride, we covered just over 100 miles, about 103 miles. We were in Grand Traverse County, Benzie County, and Manistee County. It was a great day for a ride, and we had a real good time. These sandy sections can get a little squirrely, but remember, don't let go of the throttle. Keep it rolling. It might not look like it, but the muddy spots on this trail are actually fairly slippery, and sometimes stuff can happen if somebody can't slow down as fast as you did.
You all right?
Michelle and I switched helmets so she can give the helmet cam a try.